Uganda 2023-2024, the beautiful Hannah Karema Olnakoralero launchinga Hannah Karema Foundation eranga tuli wano ku Sheraton. But celebrities banji nyo abali wano abambadde ne banyuma okamala Spice Diana, Lydia Jasmine, Ebras, Nemit, Njogerani Ndekani. Era ne fashion designers abenjawulo okuli Kaijuka Abbas, okuli Joan Jed, okuli Anita Barrow, banji wena bayoleseza engoye ezakabi. Omulungi kumide ku BBS Terefayina kwaniliza program omutindo. My very beautiful name is Queen Faima. Omulujali ku BBS Terefayina ono wenyini negative wako the beautiful Miss Uganda Natasha Nyonyozi. Hey darling.
Hello.
You look so gorgeous.
Thank you so much. So do you.
Thank you. Ani akwambaziza lero.
Lero yabadde Kai's Divo collection.
Okay.
Trusting me, and I think this is a very beautiful piece.
Okay.
I'm excited. So
Why gold? Why gold?
Gold is one of my favorite colors. I feel like it complements my skin color, so why not gold?
Okay. Ani akoze ka makeup.
Interestingly, I did my own makeup.
Are you serious? It's perfect.
Thank you. I try.
Okay. So tuli program omutindira nandiyagadde manye that one item yotaswava wakanga toyina in your past gebaamu buli lunaku bulijjo dda gyeba.
Definitely lip gloss.
Okay, you're a lip gloss girlie?
Yeah, I'm a lip gloss.
Mascara?
Even that, but mostly lip gloss. If there's anything I need the most, lip gloss.
Who is that one person who wandiyagadde oku-exchanging naye wardrobe for just one day mu nsi yonna yonna nga wardrobe ye nga byayambala bikolera?
Definitely Rihanna, for sure. Any day, give me Rihanna's wardrobe.
Ani akwambaziza kamaroni kano?
Anyambaza bamuyita Imali UG akwedde ka dress neŋŋamba nzaani okukagaana.
Katulemu onyumire ddala. Ani akoze ka makeup?
Ka makeup nkenkoze.
Weekoze makeup?
Yeah.
Omwala ali ku BBS nga tomanyi kwekola makeup simanyi na kikyoliko kuba wano wendi buli omu amanyi okwekolako. Kyo kyotasobola baawo nga toyina kangezo olina gy'olaga. What's that one thing ekitamising out in your bag?
In my bag? My phone.
Your phone?
My phone. Charger yaayo. Ka lip gloss.
Awo wenyini wembadde njagala.
Ne ssente.
BBS Terefayina wano wenyini negatiddwako the handsome Mr. Uganda. Okitegeera. Hey handsome.
Hello,
How are you doing?
I'm good. How are you doing? You look smart, you look beautiful.
Thank you.
I'm dressed anyambaiza bamita Larry casual, Uganda, yeah.
Why yellow?
I've got that question a lot today, but I think today I wanted to stand out. Yeah.
Nenga tukulabira eri ne tugamba yoyo Mr. Uganda waffe.
Mbadde njagala nyingire mu kifo mulabe Mr. Uganda ate mulabe Larry casual kyakola. Yeah.
Akaviiri kosaze ke tuyita batya?
Akaviiri kano ndoza ka Mr. Uganda yeka.
Olimba naawe.
Naye nkafunidde wa Saint Baba. Yeah.
Kikyokola okwekumira ku muti?
Ankola bingi. First of all, nefaako.
Wefaako otya?
I do the facial routine. Yeah, I do.
Kyo kikulu nnyo koza abasajja abasinga balowooza ebyo by'abakyala bokka.
Nedda. Kubanga at the end of the day, n'omukyala yeetaaga omusajja kubeera ne musajja we nga naye ayimira n'agamba yeah, this is my man.
Kitegeera. So twanyagadde okumanya if they give you a chance oku exchanging wardrobe n'omuntu omu mu nsi yaffe eno n'ekiba international level ani gwe wandyagadde okyusa naye wardrobe?
Ndowooza bampeyo Travis Scott ne Chris Brown.
You can enjoy the rest of the night.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
From a past rooted in pain, I rise. A black ocean leaping and wide, welling and swelling, I'm there in the tide. Leaving behind nights of terror and fear, I ride. Into a daybreak miraculously clear, I ride. Bringing the gifts that my ancestors gave. I am the hope and the dream of the slave.
What immediate results do you hope to achieve?
So,
We hope to achieve equal rights
Omulije kumide ku BBS Terefayina tukyali mu program omutindo awo wennyini mpumulamuko katini ate oluvannyuma nkomawo tovaako. Omulije kumide ku BBS Terefayina tukyali mu program omutindo era nga nkyali wano ku Sheraton for the Hannah Karema Foundation launch. Hey darling.
Hi, how are you?
Ng'onyumye nnyo mu ka black.
Neyanziza.
Wanzibiddeko ne nyambala black.
Next time, nja kugamba.
Ogebuuza ku batulaba.
Musibe mutya ne basawo ne bannyabo nze bampita Ageesigika bus CEO wa Kai's Divo Collection.
Leero lwaki oyambadde bw'oti ka outfit kano tusooke tukamenyeemenye.
Leero nyambadde black because it is a red carpet and mukolo gwa kitiibwa, so black always stands out. Buli lwoba ng'onoonya ekintu kyonna ng'omusajja ng'olina ogenda ku mukolo gw'amaanyi oba gwa red carpet or anything, and you've not prepared something, like you've not planned for something, you can just wear a black suit. It's always classy, it's always on point, you can't go wrong with it.
Okay, so senga bakeera ku makya ne bagamba ogenda londako accessory emu yokka gy'okkirizibwa okwambala. Wandironze accessory.
Rings. I love rings so much. Like, it's my passion. Like, I love rings. Yeah. So definitely I would pick a ring.
How long did you spend go wetegekera olunaku olwaleero?
15 minutes before I came.
Olimba kaijuka.
For real. For real. 15 minutes before I came. Like, I didn't know what I was going to wear, but the good thing, I have a big closet, so I'll just go.
Tweragiddeko omaze. So tuli wadde ku Hannah Karema Foundation launch. How do you get to meet Hannah Karema?
Hannah, I met Hannah when she was doing their competing for Miss Uganda. That's when I met them, because I was dressing them for their finale. So that's how I met Hannah. And I remember telling one of the organizers, and I'm like, that girl, she's gonna win. For real. Like, she had that aura, that star look. And even though she presented herself, the way she carried herself, I was like, that girl is gonna win.
Kiwasazeewo kabbulu leero mwagala kunkoppa.
Kabbulu ka leero already nawadde nali nagula eno outfit from Azariah collection, so nabadde njagala n'omukyala naye tubeere nga tulina akagundi ketukola ki gyetumakingamu, so nengera nenoonya ku kadress ako k'omulala ayambadde.
Okay, so madam, ani asinga okwambalira mu bayimbi bawa ne Uganda ayina style gy'olaba ng'eyemalirayo ddala?
Pia Pounds.
Why Pia Pounds?
If you follow her closely, she has a sense of style. Okay. Yes.
Tulaba oyina a lot of creative work. What drives you to that creativity?
Well, importantly, twagala nnyo okupreservinga culture yaffe nga Abafirika, nkitegeera kubanga kati challenge eriwo nti the world is evolving very fast. Ebintu bigenda bikyuka mangu, so kye tuli okukola tuligezaako okupreservinga ebintu byaffe ebyennono naye nga tubiteringa mu stories eziri relatable.
Hey Rian.
Hi, Queen Farmer.
You look so gorgeous.
Thank you, so do you. Queen to Queen.
First talk about the hair.
Well, I was going for like 60s, 80s vibe. Okay. So think Marilyn Monroe, but like black. Yeah.
Here today as a representative of the Hannah Karema Foundation. I'm here to let you know that our foundation is a committed one, an organization that is ready to empower women, educate young children, fight early childhood marriages, engage in talent and skills development. We are fighting this because we want a better future for all women.
I'm certainly very, very happy to be here this evening. And I will tell you why. And I want to thank Hannah for inviting me. You know, as I sat there watching these models, I was telling Hannah's father that to me, spending my hours seated here watching that is completely out of my schedule or program. And yet here I was watching all these things. But what brought me to watch them, and I didn't know that I would watch them, is my passion in life. My God-given purpose in life is what brought me here to support Hannah, because I see her as my one of my fruits in life.
Alabika bulungi. Kikolo ky'okuuma omutindo.
Nange mbiraba bulabi.
Yimba Hannah tuweeyo katiibwa.
Ddala nze tewali kyenkozesa. Ate nkulimbe kikozesa vaseline.
Ani akoze ka makeup kolina kora?
Makeup bamwita Haruna makeup.
Te outfit eno gy'olimu kati?
Outfit yange Mickey Designs.
Let's talk about Hannah Karema Foundation. Idea eva.
Idea evira ddala waka mu kyalo gye nakulira engeri gye nakulamu bye nayitamu ababaddewo muwulidde ka story kange how I grew up nga bwe nabonaabona nnyo n'okusoma sinti tetwalina ssente but because of culture because of the customs naye nze taata wange munange yafuba nnyo okulaba nti Hannah kasome kati nze what would I give back to the community apart from advocating for women's education and empowerment and their rights. So that is the rise of the Hannah Karema Foundation.
Okay. Are you a heels or sneaker girl?
I am heels strictly. I'm always in heels. Though I'm tall, like I'm up there, but I still do heels.
Okay, you're a woman of standards.
I know, right?
Okay. So nga tuwezekana ndiyagadde okumanya waliwo omuntu yenna alina gwewandiyagadde oku exchanginga naye closet ye ng'ebintu by'ayambala ayambala ebintu ebirungi ng'ogamba I wish one day I could be in her closet.
I would want to extend my closet with Melania Trump. Oh, she's like the perfect, literally.
Hey dear.
Hi.
You look so fabulous.
Thank you, but I'm tired though. I've enjoyed the event.
Kubayibbi abasinga olabika obulungi gw'omu kwabo abakulembera tuli mu program omutindo twandyagadde okumanya okikola otyo kuuma omutindo ng'onyirira
kwefaako omukazi yenna tolina kwekuba njawulo endabikayo kyekitiibwa kyo and always know what looks good on you manya ebikunyumira bwomanya nti nokugula okulungi yambala obuteteeyi obulaga kugulu naye tokunama nnyo obulaga kugulu and yeah basically kyekyo yeah
nga tuwezekana ndyagadde okumanya what's that one person gwewandyagadde oku exchanginga naye closet ye nga bw'oba omulaba buli kyayambala kikolera.
There's a lady called Tiana. Of course, I love how she.
Of course, yeah.
I mean, because I look at how she dresses. Okay. Of course, ne wano waliwo abamu betunuulira banyamba lya bulungi ba ye akyusa asooka kwambala nga tomboy asobola okwambala nga woman asobola okwambala anything ate nanyuma and people tell me nange buli kyenyambala nyuma somehow nina byesambala nga ndaba naye selonda nnyo. I love trying out different things.
Hey darling.
Hi.
So gorgeous.
Thank you so much. You look
what
pretty.
Are you putting on today?
Well, I put on 2 designers, but right now I'm wearing Mickey Designs.
Like less than an hour. Yeah, my makeup artist does like for about 40 minutes. So this was not like so much installation. It's called kabobu kangu. So it's like let's say 10 minutes. And fixing my dress. Heather Bass does that professionally. Like,
are you a heels or sneakers girl?
Sorry?
Are you a heels or sneakers girl?
I'm a heel. Yeah.
What's that one thing kyotasobola kulekayo waka nga bw'oba ofuluma ky'osoosa mu nsawo yo?
Close.
Obadde mulabi mulungi atambudde nange okuviira ddala eri yonna gye twatandikidde kansuubira nti ate olina ekyenjawulo kyoyizeemu. The beautiful ladies mubalabye bayambadde ne bafulumira ddala ba fashion designers nabo mubalabye. Tusikane Roxanne olala sawa 2 ez'ekiro program omutindo nange Queen Faima.